Hi everybody, Drew Coleman here with the Drew Coleman team at Hass & Company Realtors, and in an effort to give you the best information we can about the industry, being Home Warranty Month, we are talking home warranty today, and joining us is my good friend, Mike Reed. Mike, how you doing today?
Doing good, Drew.
Awesome. Guess what February is?
You know, I think you had to let me know that it's National Home Warranty Month.
It is. Yeah, a whole month. Just
The whole
devoted
month
to you.
To home warranty.
To home warranties. So,
love it.
For those of you who don't know this gentleman, what is your name, sir?
My name is Mike Reed, and I am your Portland Metro Area Manager with First American Home Warranty. In fact, I've been working with you for as long as I've been doing home warranty, 11 years. You believe that?
It's a long time. Should have studied harder in school. You know? So, Mike, let me ask you this. You love what you do, right? You've been doing it for how long have you been doing this?
I've been in the real estate industry for probably 25 years.
Wow.
And I've been doing home warranty for 11.
Wow,
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So for people who may not be familiar with this during Home Warranty Month, what is a home warranty?
You know, to keep it simple, a home warranty is basically a renewable service contract, protecting the major systems and appliances for home buyers, home sellers, and current homeowners, meaning you don't have to be in a real estate transaction to protect your home. So it's there for anyone that's involved in either purchasing a property, selling a property, or maybe they've owned a home for 5 years and they want to put a product on their home. We can do that for them too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So if my mom's getting a little older, let's say, and she's in a condo, I can go buy a home warranty for her and put one on her condominium?
Absolutely.
Nice.
Absolutely. Yeah. In the state of Oregon, I have what's called a consumer direct product. Okay. So anybody that is in home ownership and they want to protect their systems and appliances, that's what we'll do.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you this, Mike. You sell this as a living, right? So I'm asking the choir here, but why should I, a consumer, a homeowner, get a home warranty? What are the benefits of that for me?
Well, there's several benefits. I mean, first and foremost, peace of mind, right? Knowing that if something is going to break, and we know that it will, right? Systems and appliances don't last forever. Having that peace of mind, knowing that you've got a contract that can help protect you when those systems and appliances fail, right? Giving you peace of mind. I think most importantly, it's protecting your budget, right? We're going to reduce or eliminate the expense of repairing or replacing that system or appliance when it does fail.
Nice.
So peace of mind and budget protection.
I love it.
For sure.
So I don't have to call my realtor at 3 a.m. if my dishwasher goes out anymore.
I don't want them to call their realtor. I want them to call home warranty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they call you at 3 a.m, Mike.
Well, you know,
Can you just leave your phone number on here?
Yeah,
please?
all right.
Yeah.
I'll leave the phone number. You know, we do have a call center 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365. But I am here, and I am available to help all the customers here in the greater Portland area.
Well, all joking aside, you've always been very available and responsive to our team, so I appreciate that.
No, I appreciate that as well. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Mike, let me ask you this. You've been doing this 11 years, 25 years in the real estate business overall. What do you love about your job?
You know, I think what I love most about my job is I'm a people pleaser, and customer service is very, very important to me. So knowing that I'm representing a product that can help people when a system or an appliance fails and get them the service they need to get things back up and running and save them money means a lot to me. And when I hear from a customer or I hear from a realtor that represented a customer that we saved them $1,000 on a hot water heater, and you know they were frantic that they didn't have hot water and now they do, that makes me feel good. So it's all about customer service and being able to provide something that is gonna help someone.
I love it.
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Why? There's a lot of home warranty companies out there. Why First American? Why is that? Why, where you have a lot of choices, since you're such a great guy and salesman? Why is First American where you hang your hat?
You know, that's a great question. And in the state of Oregon, there's probably no less than 10 other warranties that consumers can choose from. And what I tell people is, if you stack all of the warranties up and you line them up and you look at what they offer and what they charge, they're all pretty darn close within, you know, the terms and conditions and limits of liability and cost. Generally, you can see from one end a $10 to $50 difference to the other in terms of price. What I like about First American and what I've been doing for 11 years is, one, the company has been in the industry for 37 years, and we're not going anywhere. And as I mentioned previously, customer service is very important to me. So as I convey to you, and you've witnessed, if you or your clients ever have a question or a concern, I like to take the extra step and be there personally for you and provide that level of customer service, which First American allows me to do. So that's what I love about First American. We're second to none in terms of coverage, and we pay out on claims. And unfortunately, there was one home warranty company that, due to COVID, went out of business. And First American Home Warranty is part of the First American Financial Corporation, who's been in business for probably 125 years. We're financially strong. We're not going anywhere. So
the financial backing, when you're buying a product it's not insurance per se, but it's in that realm where it's important that the money coming to pay that is there, right?
Is there, absolutely.
To quote the movie Tommy Boy, I can do something in a box and market guaranteed, but choose the right product for your kid's sake.
That's right. That's right.
Let me ask you another question,
absolutely,
Mike, since I've got you here today. If a consumer's interested, a client's interested in home warranty, who's their point of contact for that?
It's a great question. So there's two answers to the question, basically. As realtors, when you're representing buyers and sellers, the consumer, the person buying or selling a home, should reach out to you as the agent.
Agreed.
And then as the agent, you would provide them with that information. Of course, I'm always available for you and your customer should additional questions need to be asked. If they are a current homeowner, they're not involved in a real estate transaction, then they want to call First American directly, or the home warranty company that they're using, to get that information.
Excellent. So in transaction, work through the real estate people that you have in place. Outside, if you're just wanting to add a home warranty for a home that you own, condo, townhouse, go directly to the company. Perfect.
Absolutely.
Love it. All right. What does a warranty cover and what does it not cover?
It's a good question in terms of there's a lot of variables to it. So what I always recommend is any person that is purchasing a home warranty, get a brochure, because the brochure will spell out what is covered. And when we say what is covered, we're talking about major systems and appliances. So in general, we're talking about plumbing, plumbing leaks, plumbing stoppages, electrical. We're talking about furnace, water heater. We're talking about kitchen appliances, the dishwasher, the microwave oven, oven range cooktop, garbage disposal, so on and so forth. So those are the items that are covered. Now, with any system or appliance, there's also going to be particulars that may not be covered. And you can look at the brochure and it will tell you more specifically what isn't covered. The great thing about home warranty is you can build upon your coverage. In other words, we have plans, as you're aware. You can start with a basic plan and you can work all the way up to an Eagle Premier package, which is going to offer you much more coverage and better limits of liability than, say, the basic plan. But in addition to the Eagle Premier plan, you can also add additional options to even enhance that coverage. So there's a lot there in terms of what is and what isn't covered. So my best answer with any consumer is take a look at the brochure, get a good idea, and then you can build or you can draw back based on what your needs are on the systems and appliances that are in the home.
Awesome. So my kid draws with Sharpies on the wall. Is that covered?
That's not going to be covered.
Okay, jot that down. Not covered. Okay. I'd imagine a lot of people know that when they go to buy a home, if they're getting a loan, the lender's going to require them to get some sort of homeowners insurance policy, fire policy, commonly known as. What's the difference, and where does warranty fit next to homeowners insurance, and where does it not? What are the differences between the two?
Yeah, and you know what I always say to that question, that's a very common question. I tell consumers that home warranty complements homeowners insurance. So what do I mean by that? Well, you may sell a property that has the original systems and appliances in it, and maybe everything is 20 years old. Well, if that dishwasher breaks and the homeowner doesn't have a home warranty, homeowner insurance is not going to cover the breakdown of that appliance. Whereas if the consumer has a home warranty in place and that dishwasher breaks, now the homeowner is covered for the repair or replacement of that dishwasher. So it complements the homeowner's insurance. The flip of that is, let's say that dishwasher stops working and part of that failure is a leak. And as a result of that leak, maybe the homeowner's got nice hardwood floors in that kitchen. And that leak has now damaged those hardwood floors. The homeowner's insurance now comes into play to replace those hardwood floors. And again, the home warranty is going to cover the repair or replacement of that dishwasher. So they're a perfect complement to each other.
Gotcha. And that makes sense. That's why I hose my children off outside instead of letting them shower in the home. It just prevents leaks.
There you
know
go.
what I mean? It's
there
just
you go.
Very handy.
Water and floors, we don't want that mix.
We don't want that. But that is nice. I mean, obviously with deductible limits on a homeowner's policy, you're not going to, even if it was covered, which it's not, say a dishwasher or water heater, if you have a $5,000 deductible or something like that, you're not going to go there. So home warranty takes you up a level. And I'm guessing, Mike, and tell me if I'm wrong, that if the dishwasher goes out and the warranty would cover it and they call you for service that comes out, that's not something that's going to ding their credit or be reported to their credit either, is it?
No, we don't report claims that are filed to any home insurance industry. In fact, you were talking about cost. Also keep in mind that when we have a claim that's placed on a dishwasher or a water heater, we have a simple service call fee of $75. So yeah, you can then talk about that difference between.
So that's your deductible essentially.
That's basically our deductible. That's right.
Which is great.
That's right.
Yeah. So knowing that a lot of things are covered, and really $75 is generally what you're going to have to go out of pocket for a covered item, feels pretty good. And I see why you like what you do. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I have another question for you, Mr. Reed. How does the claim process work? If you have a claim, how does that work?
Right, so if you have a homeowner that experiences a failure to a covered system or appliance, what's extremely important to remember is you have to go through the home warranty company first.
Okay.
So the process is to contact your home warranty company and file a claim.
So I don't call Jimmy Joe Bob the handyman and then try to bill you for it.
Exactly. You do not want to handle that repair or replacement outside of warranty and then come back to warranty looking for reimbursement. It's specifically stated in the contract that you have to go through the home warranty company first. So the process is filing the claim. Once the claim is filed, a technician is going to be assigned to that claim. The technician is then going to call the homeowner, and they're going to schedule a time to come out and service. Technician will come to the home, and he'll diagnose the failure, determining that it is a covered failure, and then from there, making a decision with the home warranty company whether it can be whether it can be repaired. If it cannot be repaired, then the home warranty company's next step is to replace it.
Yeah. So you try to repair it when you can, make good use, reduce, reuse, recycle. Try to make sure that if the item can be brought back to proper working condition, it can be. And if it can't, you then look towards the replacement angle. That makes sense.
Exactly. Repair first. If we cannot repair, then we move to replacement.
Of course. I think that's good business. That makes great sense. I had a thought as you were talking there, and I'm trying to think of what it is. So you have, so basically what you're saying is First American Home Warranty has a process, right? Just like I don't call up Amazon and say, I'd like the parka on page 472 of your website. It's just not the way it works. First American has their steps, and those are successful steps to get homeowners to the satisfaction and proper working of their systems that they desire. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you basically can't go back and retrofit that if you've already had it fixed. So it's important for people to remember that they have that warranty, to make a note of it. Put the phone number on the refrigerator. Put the warranty pamphlet on the refrigerator. What's the best way? Put First American in your phone. What's the best way to remember you have a warranty?
That's a good point. I would suggest putting First American in their phone.
Yeah,
absolutely. What I strongly recommend, especially homeowners that have just purchased a property, go to our website, get registered as a homeowner.
Yep.
Once you're registered on our site, you can see your contract, you can see all of your coverage, and even better, when you experience a failure to a covered system or appliance, you can go right to our website and file the claim right online.
Great. Skip the line, go straight to the source. And get
great
it done.
point. Skip the line, because you know what? We're a big company, just like all the other companies out there, and we do have a 1-800 number that you can call to file a claim.
Yeah.
And I don't not recommend that.
Yeah. But just having all that on file first.
But it can be time consuming.
Expedite it. Absolutely. Yeah. That makes good sense.
So you can I like that line. I'm going to use that.
Yeah.
You can skip the line by simply going to the website and placing your claim there.
So if let's say a client in our parlance is in the real estate transaction and a home warranty is applied through title, it's paid for, it's done, the warranty's in place. The homeowner could then still go and register so that all their details were on there after that warranty was paid for, correct?
Once the warranty is paid for, they want to go to the website.
Right. So the registration's not automatic. The warranty is in place, but all the details aren't necessarily. It's more of a, hey, we'll honor this, but you're not as far down to having every line item filled out. You might have to do that when you have a claim versus being registered where all of those items are there and you're quicker to the claims process.
Yeah, through the process of setting up the warranty, we're going to have the information we need to serve that customer if they never go to the website and get registered. Right. So yes, you don't need to be involved in registration to file a claim, but it's going to make the process a lot simpler.
Registration's not a gating to whether you get serviced or not.
Absolutely
not. It just might help expedite the process because you've already got a lot of things filled in and ready to roll. Makes sense to me.
That's right.
Okay, I love that. So I got an electrical problem. Okay, it is covered. I know that. I read this whole contract word by word, which I do every night. So
good man. Good man.
I got, on my nightstand, I just got that First American Home Warranty.
I like it. I like the commitment.
Well, you taught me well, Mike.
I like the commitment.
It's great. It's great. So, who do you send out to fix this covered item? Are you coming out? Do you want to get on the old?
Drew, the last thing you want me to do is come out to your house and fix something especially electrical.
Well, potentially, I do want you out, Mike. You don't know that, so.
I've yet to be asked to come out for a drink, but I'm waiting.
Yeah.
No. So the process is very straightforward in terms of claims and tax. So First American, first and foremost, we hire only licensed, bonded, and insured technicians. And whenever a claim is filed, the technician assigned is trade specific. So if you have an electrical failure and you file a claim, we're going to assign a licensed, bonded, and insured electrician to that claim.
Wonderful. Well, let me ask you this.
Yeah.
What if my circuit panel was above my toilet and fell into the toilet? Would you send an electrician or a plumber?
I don't know if that's the greatest example, Drew, because...
I just having fun.
No, I know. No. No, but to I was just going to say, where's this bathroom?
Hey, I've seen that before, actually. I haven't seen
at?
it fall in, but I have seen panels right above the toilet. Anywho, let me get to another question.
Well, can I answer that one?
Yeah, please. Feel free.
So you had two trades there.
Yep.
In essence, you had an electrical failure because the panel fell into the toilet.
Right.
And technically the toilet wouldn't be covered because it didn't fail due to normal wear and tear.
Oh.
But let's say the toilet on its own started to leak, and then the next day the electrical panel went out. Right. You would file two claims. You would file one claim for the electrical
Yeah.
And then you would file a second
Yeah.
claim for the plumbing because it's trade specific.
Right. But
We're not going to send an electrician to fix the
I got
toilet.
you. Yeah, what actually happened in my case is a geyser came out of the toilet, hit the electrical box, it fell
Fried
in.
everything.
Right.
Right, there we go.
Like, I don't even have time.
It was an ugly
I
mess.
don't have time to tell you all about it. So, what's if I know about some, if I know about an issue, I know my dishwasher's not working. Can I call First American tomorrow, put a home warranty on, and then have you come out the next day?
So I would answer that question this way. So prior to our coverage starting, whether it's for a home buyer or a home seller, all of the coverage systems and appliances need to be in good, safe working order.
Got it.
So if you are aware of the fact that the microwave oven doesn't turn on and your coverage for your home warranty is going to start tomorrow, then that's a known pre-existing condition and it's not going to be covered.
Got it.
Okay. If you have a scenario where you can't see something potentially, and then you find out later that it is not working, we would define that potentially as an unknown pre-existing condition. Unknown through a visual inspection or a simple mechanical test, then we would generally cover it.
That makes good sense.
Yeah.
So basically, known to be working by me or unknown to be not working by me as of the date of coverage, that would be things that are covered. Things I know about. If the dishwasher's already broken, I can't slap on this and cost you guys a bunch of money.
Correct.
I think that makes great sense.
Correct.
To me.
Correct.
All right, one last question
Yes,
for
sir.
you, Mike. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
We'll rate you at the end of this as we do all
On a
our
scale of
guests.
1 to 10.
1 to 100, but 1 to 10 is likely to be your score. So
Wrap up anything?
yeah. So what wrapping up, what is it, being that it's home warranty month, what do you want people to know about home warranty or anything else you'd like to add for our viewing public?
The last thing I think I want people to know about home warranties is it really offers homeowners peace of mind. That ability to reduce or eliminate expense when a covered system or appliance fails is such a big deal in today's world, especially for first-time home buyers. The last thing I think I really want homeowners to know about home warranty is there is a lot of home warranty companies out there that you can choose from. So when you're deciding on a home warranty, make sure you read the brochures of those warranty companies that you're considering. Pay attention to the limits of liability, because those can vary widely from one home warranty company to another. And I think lastly, choose a home warranty company that has a local rep that you can reach out to and answer questions for you. To have a local rep can make all the difference in the world if you ever run into a problem or you just need help answering a question. So I think that's the most important thing I would leave you with regarding home warranty.
So, well, thank you for joining me here today, Mike.
Drew,
I always
thank you.
appreciate our relationship, and thanks for taking good care of
Happy
our
New
clients.
Year. Is it okay to say Happy New Year in
Yes,
February?
You can say whatever you want. Yeah. I'm on the Valentine's Day, but you do you.
All right.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.